Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and protecting my countertops just got a little bit more beautiful. Check out these awesome BOHO style trivets from Art Pinecone. I absolutely love them. So this is a set of 4 8-inch trivets, and this is the brown mixed color, and I absolutely love it. It is a beautiful neutral color, but these come in a bunch of varieties, so you can find what works best in your kitchen. These are made from a super durable and high quality cotton, and they're actually handmade, so you can really see how beautiful and unique each one is, and they have this gorgeous woven and stitched pattern to them. They are so pretty. I love the little detail of the loop on the end with the little snap, so you could very easily hang these on hooks and keep them out, and they look beautiful. This did actually come with a tray that holds all of them in it together, so it's got its own little home, which is awesome to keep your kitchen looking neat and tidy and organized. We recently installed these butcher block countertops and was really a labor of love. So we are so happy to have something that gives us peace of mind knowing that our countertops are being really well protected. Because they are that nice durable cotton, they do an awesome job at absorbing heat and moisture. So no need to worry about your countertops burning or melting. These are gonna have your back. So I love these, would definitely recommend them. I love that they are very functional, but they're also so pretty that you could leave them out and make them part of your kitchen decor. They're such an easy way to protect your countertops, definitely worth it. And that's my point of view.